Hi, I'm making this video in regards to the incident that recently took place on the 7th of January 2025 in Konsakhul, Lungwiram, which is also known as K Lungwiram. Ngasi aina video namjabase lahan that 7 numita thokiba thodok aikoi Konsakhul Lungwiram da anti amani yum saage haina sem saringai sida Leilon khunau khunjam yamna la aga yum sabe yaroi haina moibu thingba moibu disturb tawba anti bu harass tawbiba adugi matangda clarification pige haina ai video se semjabani aina thajaye mi miyamna video du uramgani tasu taramgani aduda moina gamaina builder sing bu approach tawkhibra gamaina anti bu treat tawkhibra habdu the video itself explains and is the evidence on how they approach the woman and the builders on the spot. Let me reiterate this for you. We will burn the JCB down, stop recording, we will kill you, and other curse words. Recently, I saw a video that was circulating online by a lady from Leilon village. I would like to say that all the allegations that she made were baseless, and also all that she blabbered about was her opinion. Now, I would like to state the facts. I gave how it all started and the ground reality on this issue. Before COVID-19 came, we had already started leveling the ground on this area. COVID-19 laktungai mamangai sidagi akoi ground leveling se loi losilabne ba. And due to the COVID, we had to take a break and stop the process for a while. So we did that. Right after the COVID, we started with the process again. However, it was disturbed due to the conflict that has been going on in Manipur, and that happened. And so now finally we plan to finish the work. We did start with the work, but we were stopped by Leilon villages. Moina laaga aikoi bu yum saba yaroi haina disturb taweba. Aduda we asked them why, and they said that there is a bunker just below that land. Lamgi makha da bunker leya duna yum saba yaroi. Pukri tawni ri tawo yum law uni ri o du yum ni saba yaroi haina moina hayaba. But it doesn't make sense, right? It is our land and we have the every right to do whatever we want in our land. Okay, I wa mahage. Nangbu mi amana laaga or stranger amana laaga nangi lamda yum saba yaroi. Pukri tawo farm tawo adubu yum disu saba yaroi haina nanguna haira adi nang yagera. It doesn't make sense, right? Aigi lamdi aigi hakni. Aina tawning ba tawgani? Aina yum sagira, pukri tawgira, farm tawgira. Aina tawning ba tawgani? Natra?
Yum tawwa pikudi khande sasawi langa le ba sumna tawdubi adreba irang labi asu labi adreba ko
Nahan ipa na sulak laga anang sing hairame bunker volunteers levi di ko so chinu haina koi so we madu di ko du wasi to ya ba khra di khra dum sing do ninga ram di yum sagap kan na dum
koi di tha da ba su wa le ne si koi gi mete ga bugi gi lan se anina tha da ba su wa le aside di kare to piyo koi na haino ko lan loi ba da wari ang ko ma ni ko kasi di
lan loi ki do ne loi ra khanda ba
adi asida na koi pan gani ko kari su chap su yaro bangal sim su yaro ko koi su wari yam le koi karak sida konsa da asom front line khak thabak se dum hon na basi ko koi gi namak di koi se pan lanu sine ba koi di mete ga pa yana samne ba
kari tawla kosa na ko tawla ga
yes na koi
ha
koi thaja wal le
kari tawla le bra
koi ni tawri ni
akoi area si nang kana thaga pra
thaja ninga le te ab ni
thaga nang le kari di yara ne ati kari su taw yara
Police toming di Metiga Nagagi irang lay kita na ko. Kam yam lay na.
akoi na ha police ki hande ya te tawdubi ya te bayam jine hairi sine dum pui khre
Police tu karigino ba mapam atay lay ta rasida police thamge hai bise karino tin
ai di lo da ai na thamni ne
nang law du law eno uro ko.
ai di lo
ꯂꯧꯗꯣ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯪꯈꯣꯜꯗ
ꯂꯧꯅ ꯂꯧ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯀꯣ
ꯂꯧ
ꯂꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ
ꯌꯨꯝ
ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯥꯅꯤ
ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯂꯧ ꯎꯒꯦ ꯀꯨꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯒꯦ ꯀꯨꯁꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯨꯁꯤꯅꯦ
In the video, the lady also mentioned that the land belongs to Leilon Khunau, which is absurd because that land belongs to Konsakhul and that too has been acknowledged by the Kuki leaders. So I think you need to first go do your homework before you false claim anything. Yes, I totally agree that Auntie is currently living in Imphal, but that should not be a reason as to why she is not a resident of Lungwiram. As we all know, Imphal is the capital of the state, and we all go there for some reasons. Maybe for work, business, for education, healthcare, and other purposes. She is a resident of Lungwiram, and who are you to say she is not? And my question to you is, do you know every single citizen living in Konsakhul and Lungwiram? If yes, think again, because you failed to recognize a woman of the same place. And lastly but not the least, I would like to say that we have all the relevant documents that is pertaining to this case, and we would be more than happy to present it to you legally. And my humble request to you is, and to all of you is, please do not play with the Christianity cards. We should learn to tell the truth first. As we all know, action speaks louder than words.